morning. I'm Terry Freeman and I'm the manager of the seed laboratory.
Today we're taking you to the second floor of the Utah Department of Agriculture and Food building, where scientists are busy in the State Seed Lab.
So the State Seed Lab does viability and purity testing to provide labeling information to those involved in the seed industry. And it also helps determine truth in labeling on seed offered for sale in accordance with the federal and state seed acts.
Representatives from UDAF gather seed samples at large seed warehouses, all the way down to small retail stores that sell individual packets of seeds. Those seeds are then brought to the lab for testing.
We do a germination test to make sure they meet the germination that they're labeled with. And we do a noxious weed exam to make sure that noxious weeds aren't being spread throughout the state. When I started, there was about this many noxious weeds on the noxious weed list, but now the list has really grown. These functions are great for consumer protection because they make sure that the consumer is getting what type of seed that they are trying to buy, and they're not contaminated, and they're going to grow as well as they think they're going to grow. So counting out 4 reps of 100 seeds seems really tedious, and it can be, but there are so many different kinds of seeds. They're all shapes and sizes and colors, and so you get kind of caught up in that.
The Seed Lab made headlines this month when they began working on identifying seeds that were being shipped to Utahns from China in unsolicited packages.
Yes, at first we had a lot of questions about the seeds from China, like probably, 15 a day. People are worried. That it's bad. Here at the lab, we opened about the first 40 packages that we got so we could get a feel for what was coming in. And we did identify most of those to genus and family, and we're going to send them all to our federal partner at the Animal and Plant Health Department, and they are going to identify and analyze them further. Many are being sent as earrings and different types of jewelry, and when that happens, they bypass the agricultural inspections that are required as they come into the state or into the country. And so that's not good. They need to put a stop to that because we want them to be checked before they come into the country to make sure there's no danger that will be spread in our agricultural areas.
Thanks for coming along with us today as we visited the State Seed Lab. If you have any questions about this or any other aspects of the Utah Department of Agriculture and Food, please feel free to let us know.